Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to sell USD on Trust Wallet step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have the Trust Wallet application and make sure that you have the account for Trust Wallet. And after that, you should just click sell and just search for USDT. And as you can see USDT right there. You must click it. And after you have clicked USDT, you just have to input the amount of USDT to sell. So for example, just like that. But for now, I don't have any balance to sell with. So if you are done with selling the USDT, you should just click sell on the bottom. And once you have clicked sell, you are doing or selling the USDT on your Trust Wallet. And that's usually just it. So thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful and see you in the next one.